Hi, welcome to Ask AD, and this week I'm doing something a little bit different. So I'm doing some walking gear. Now these guys, they sent over a new jacket and some new trousers because they know how much I like talking about. I'm going out walking my dog Wolfie. I'm always wearing workwear jackets and workwear gear, and so they obviously feel a little bit sorry for me. So they sent me some decent walking trousers and also this lovely jacket as well. So first off, you can see excellent styling, great fit as well. This one's in green, this jacket. This is both of these are actually like a neoprene spandex soft shell sort of type makeup fabric as well. So both of them together are giving you water resistance, they're giving you breathability, and also they're giving you flexibility as well. I've got a green jacket and I've got a grey and black trousers here. So great styling. On the back you can see I've got some reflective stripes. So I've got two nice lined pockets. I've also got zip down the front and inside pocket there, so I can put in my, I won't do that all the way up because of my microphone, but that will go all the way to the top. And also I can pull in the hood with the toggles as well. So ideal if it's raining, lashing it down. But it feels super flexible, really comfortable. I've also got adjustable Velcro on the cuffs there. I like the two-tone. And the trousers. Now the trousers are amazing. So they come with this belt. So the belt is actually fitted into the trousers, so it's adjustable. Very flexible. So I'm about a 34 waist. This is a large size and this is a large jacket. So large trousers, large jacket. If you are buying any of these. Zip pockets on there, sort of like a mesh type pocket in there. Liner. Rear pocket there for your valuables, your wallet. The trousers themselves, the knees have got like a stitching on there, so it sort of shapes the knee, so it hugs round it as well. And also, what I do like about it, actually, what I do love about it is the liner. Okay, it's really, feels really warm, and I am definitely going to be wearing these while I walk Wolfie. So if you're looking to get yourself some decent walking gear this year, then why not take a look at some of these new outdoor sports clothes? So as a thank you, these guys have given me a discount code to pass on to you, which is AskAD, and that's going to give you 15% off any of these clothes. Now, one thing I was actually shocked about was the price. The price of these clothes is just absolutely brilliant, okay? So you need to jump over there and have a look. So thanks to the guys for sending this over to me. I'm going to leave a link to their website below, and jump over there, have a look at this outdoor sports clothing. They've got ski wear on there. They've got some really nice base layers. They've got all the stuff. If you need some walking gear and you're watching the pennies this year, then why not just have a look at it? Just get some, give it a try. Personally, I don't think you can go wrong for the money. But yeah, I'm happy with it. So thanks very much for sending this over. And I'm going to go and take Wolfie for a walk.